Well, I made it to the Airbnb, to Maritza's place. But it's been a little bit hectic day. My friend Renee picked me up at the airport here in Chihuahua and went over and had a really nice lunch with him and his daughter, Elizabeth. And then we went to get cash from the ATM. And the ATM machine eats it. I didn't realize it until we got back over here to near the Airbnb. So finally I decided to cancel the card, arranged to get a PIN on my credit card. And also I was able to find that little bike shop where I was able to buy the canisters for my Whisper Light stove. I had pretty much a full day in Chihuahua, so after walking around for the whole day afternoon, I met up with my old friend Randall Gingrich, who manages a non-profit supporting the Raramris. We went out to dinner and had a great conversation. Hasta pronto. I'm leaving wonderful hostess Maritza at the Airbnb. I'll be coming back on March 6th.
Le dicen el centenario por la joya que brilla en su pecho. Ahora todos lo ven diferente, se acabaron todos sus desprecios.
Just arrived in Creel on the bus, 5-hour ride, and I'm going to try to navigate my way to the hotel. I had arranged to stay in the same hotel as my friend Gerd Bräuer, and we had a great little dinner and walked around and talked. Next morning I got up first thing and headed out for the road. I'm ready to ride my first day out of Creel. I hope to make it to Areponapuchi or something like that. I'm departing for my good friend Gerd. See you. Thank you. Good dog. You bet. See you soon. Oh, I forgot my helmet. I had breakfast last October. Didn't look very open. Good morning. Buenos dias, doggies. Buenos dias, perro. So here's where I turned to go to the Divisadero, and my first night is Areponapuchi, something like that. I'll have to look it up again. Which is about 3 kilometers past the Divisadero, so I got an easy day today. So I'm getting off the paved road for just a short interval. This is where Ride with GPS has wanted me to go, is on these dirt roads that parallel the carretera. So I'm trying this one because it's not too long. But I've been making pretty good time on the carretera, and there's not much traffic, so. Well, I'm afraid the Ride with GPS has screwed me up again. It claims that there's a road going down there, but there's no road. And I actually had to cross a fence just to get over here. So here we are at the Divisadero. Place I've been to several times. And the famous Barrancas del Cobre in full glory. in Divisadero, I met up with Michael and Kimberly Miller, who had brought a group, half of whom I knew from times before, and half of whom were new people.
You made it.
Yeah, so far so good.
Good.
So we just parted ways this morning because we stayed in the same hotel in Creel.
Okay.
Yeah.
We had it good last night. We talked and we went for a little hike last night.
That's awesome. It's sweet.
So it was an easy ride, huh?
Yeah, mostly. I stayed on the main road most of the way because there wasn't too much traffic. And Ryder GPS sent me on these gravel roads that sometimes would disappear or they turn into real rough road. So I just decided to stay mostly on the carretera. Yeah, I'm going to stay in Areponapuchi. Yeah, because Randall told me about a friend of his who's got some cabins.
Okay, yeah.
So I called
That's
him
where
up.
we're at. You should come over and sit by the fire tonight.
Sounds good.
We're at Mansión Tarabara.
Oh, you're in Areponapuchi?
Yeah, which is right here. I mean, you're 10 minutes away.
¿Cuánto tiempo hiciste?
Hoy?
Ajá.
So 6 horas. Dog, my good friend. And these are the cabins from Gustavo. And Dahlia is apparently the daughter. She showed me the room. So this is my living quarters for tonight. I got my bike inside, and she said the shower, hot water would be ready in 10 minutes, which is probably about now.